Hi students, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to solve this case study arithmetic progression problem. In the month of April to June 2022, the exports of passenger cars from India increased by 26% in the corresponding quarter of 2021 to 2022 as per a report. A car manufacturing company planned to produce 1,800 cars in 4th year and 2,600 cars in 8th year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. Study this one carefully. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. First question, find the production in the first year. What is given in this question? Production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. What is given in this question? 1,800 cars in 4th year, 2,600 cars in 8th year. So we will take nth term formula. A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We will take 1,800 cars in 4th year. So n is given as 4. A and D value we don't know. A n value is given as 1,800 equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. 1,800 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 is 3D. We will take this as a first equation. Next is given as 2,600 cos in 8th year. A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. A n is given as 2,600 is equal to A plus n is 8 minus 1 into D. 2,600 is equal to A plus 7D. This one we will take it as second equation. Subtract equation 2 minus 1. 2 is A plus 7D minus A plus 3D equal to 2,600 minus 1,800. We will take biggest minus smallest. That's why we took A plus 7D first. After that we will take A plus 3D. Next A plus 7D. Now remove the bracket. Minus A minus 3D is equal to 2,600 minus 1,800 is 800. Plus A minus A cancel. Plus 7D minus 3D is 4D is equal to 800. D is equal to 800 divided by 4 is equal to 200. D is equal to 200. Next, substitute D is equal to 200 in equation 1. Equation 1 is A plus 3D is equal to 1,800. A plus 3 into D value is 200 equal to 1,800. A plus 3 into 200 is 600 is equal to 1,800. A is equal to 1,800 minus 600. So what is A value? A is equal to 1,200. This is the answer. Now we got A value is 1,200, D value is 200. Find the production in the first year. So production in the first year is 1,200. This is the answer for first question. Second question. Find the production in the 12th year. What is given? A 12. We need to find. A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A 12 is equal to A value is we know 1,200 plus open the bracket n is 12 minus 1 into D value is 200. A 12 is equal to 1,200 plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 200. A 12 is equal to 1,200 plus 11 into 200 is 2,200. A 12 is equal to 3,400. This is the second answer. Next is third one. C1. Find the total production in the first 10 years. Total production means we will take it as sum of first nth term formula only. What is sum of first nth term formula? Sn is equal to n by 2, open the bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this question given us first 10 years. First 10 years means n is given as 10. Next, S10 is equal to 10 by 2, open the bracket, 2 into a value we know 1200 plus open the bracket, n is 10 minus 1 into d value is 200. Next, 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. S10 is equal to 5, open the bracket, 2 into 1200 is 2400 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 200. S10 is equal to 5, open the bracket, 2400 plus 9 into 200 is 1800. Next, S10 is equal to 5, open the bracket, 2400 plus 1800 is 4200. S10 is equal to 5 into 4200 is 21,000. This is the answer for C question. Next question, or in how many years will the total production reach to 31,200 cars? Total production means always we will take it as sum of the first nth term formula. What is sum of first nth term formula? Sn is equal to n by 2, open the bracket, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn value is given as 31,200 equal to n by 2. N only we need to find. How many years, right? This n value we need to find. 2 into a value we know 1200 plus n minus 1 into d is 200. Next, 31,200 equal to n by 2, open the bracket, 2 into 1200 is 2400 plus multiply inside the bracket, n into 200 is 200, n minus 1 into 200 is 200. Next, 31,200 is equal to n by 2, open the bracket, 2400 minus 200 is 2200 plus 200 n. This 2 cancel, 1100, this is 100. Next is 31,200 equal to n, open the bracket, 1100 plus 100 n. Next step, 31,200 equal to multiply inside the bracket, n into 1100 is 1100 n plus n into 100 n is 100 n square. Next, 100 n square plus 1100 n minus 31,200 equal to 0. Divided by 100, we will get n square plus 11n minus 312 equal to 0. Next, we will do this one as a splitting the middle term method. Minus 312, down is 11. Here is plus. Now we will do LCM of 312. 2, 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 2, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 2, 3 2s are 6, 9 2s are 18, 3, 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. First we will take 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 24, here is 13. Minus this one, 24 minus 13 is 11. We will take 24 as a plus, 13 as a minus. Why? You see here is plus 11. So biggest number we will take it as plus, smallest number we will take it as minus. Plus 24 minus 13 is plus 11. Plus 24 into minus 13 is minus 312. So we will write it as plus 24 minus 13. Next, n square plus 24n minus 13n minus 312 equal to 0. We will take this is as a one pair, this is as another pair. N we will take it as common. N plus 24. Here is also n plus 24. You see here is 13n. N is there, so we will take 13. So 13 into 24 is 312. Here is plus is there, we will take minus. Minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus equal to 0. n minus 30 into n plus 24 equal to 0. N minus 13 is equal to 0, n is equal to 13, n plus 24 is equal to 0, n is equal to minus 24. N value, years positive only, minus value, we have to neglect this one. So answer is 13 years will the total production reach to 31,200 cars. This is the answer. Thanks for watching this video.